Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make trendy silk thread earrings, and it's a pretty simple way. And even if you don't have the tassel bead caps, still you can do it. So give it a try. So guys, if you want to buy jewelry making material online, I'll share a couple of links in the description box below. Do check it out. So they are done and they're looking really beautiful. So do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.